Name me Gayatri Andi.
After
30-year-old Gayatri nenu. Chaitanya garu vachesar kada, so I thought I'll ask questions as a 30-year-old.
okay, done.
And feel like a 30-year-old for some time. But I'm not much older than 34, but that's fine. Oh, I'm 34.
మీ ఏజ్ మీరే చెప్పుకుంటున్నారు. కట్.
Okay, few more random questions, Andy.
Yeah.
One thing you love to do the most with your phone?
With my phone,
Yeah,
switch it off and put it in the bag.
that's the best thing I've heard.
Yeah.
What makes you blush?
Such questions. But yeah, a beautiful girl smiling at me would make me blush.
Which emote icon do you think you resemble?
Which emote? That one with those two loves in the eyes.
Romantic, I see.
Yeah,
Do you think selfless love exists?
it does.
And what is the most heart-touching thing someone has done for you?
Heart-touching thing someone has done for me. That was 21 trailer వచ్చినప్పుడు that is from Karimnagar, my friend Anil. He was like so excited. He started sharing trailers with everybody and he started talking to people and he started sending me this. He started sending me idesko బాగుంటది idesko. So that was very heart-touching me. And there are so many other instances, but this was something unexpected that I okay రా అంటే ఫ్రెండ్ అట్లుండేది. But yeah, that was kind of very heart-touching. But
Okay, talking about a fan reaction, which was like the most interesting fan reaction you got to your show?
for me or for the show?
You, like,
Okay, for me I have many
అంటే చదవగానే like
chala,
okay.
not just one. They've been, my DM has been flooded with so many messages. Chala unnai,
How
chala.
many proposals? ఇప్పుడు మీరు బీచ్ అనేసారు, అది ఇది అనేసారు, ఇంకా ప్రపోజల్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి.
Yeah, let's keep that as a secret for now.
Right,
But
Okay, so
చాలా ఆస్ట్రాక్ అంటే కొన్ని మెసేజెస్ చదివితే నాకు ఐ వాస్ లిటరలీ టచ్. కొన్ని అయితే ఐ వాస్ వెరీ ఎమోషనల్ యాజ్ వెల్. అమ్మ ఎంత ద బెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ వేర్ ఫ్రమ్ లైక్ మా అంటే సమ్ ర్యాండమ్ పీపుల్ కీప్ టెక్స్ట్ మీ, మై మదర్ వాంట్స్ టు టాక్ టు యూ, మై ఫాదర్ వాంట్స్ టు టాక్ టు యూ, 50 years 60 years వాళ్ళు. ఇట్ వాస్ రియలీ హార్ట్ టచింగ్. సో
I'm sorry, but I can't marry your daughter అని చెప్పేయాలి వాళ్ళకి.
No, they were
because of the
show. They were really connected to me. Nana na కొడుకులాగా అనిపిస్తున్నావు లేకపోతే not in that. They might have that, but చాలా బాగా మాట్లాడారు. That was like beautiful. US కెళ్ళి you wouldn't even believe. So
in fact on the show the rapport with the father is very interesting.
yeah, so వాళ్ళందరూ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి they wanted to talk to me. That was very very special.
How many hours do you spend on Instagram?
చాలా తక్కువ. I have like hundreds of messages pending which I have to reply. I wanted to reply to everybody, but then I get messages on Instagram, I get messages on Facebook, WhatsApp లో ఇంకా 150 messages pending. అంటే అందరికీ మెసేజ్ రిప్లై ఇవ్వాలని ఉంటుంది కానీ బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ దాంట్లో అవ్వట్లేదు. Instagram పైన not more than 2 hours I think.
What do you do when you don't want to reply to a message?
I still reply.
Okay. అంటే what would you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it. Thank you.
How are you feeling today? Thank you.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
thank
okay,
you.
Yeah.
Or this thumbs up, అదొకటి ఉంటుంది. That's it. Yeah.
Which is the one app on your phone you have but you never use? If you want me to skip, we can skip.
Bumble, I guess.
Bumble, okay. When a question is asked to you, what is the first thing that comes to your mind, like an interview question? Do you have to think twice before answering it, or like spontaneous ga?
I don't. Eduna, I try and be very transparent. I'll be, and unless and until it is really, really personal, I just be very transparent.
How often do you look into the mirror?
Very rare.
Oh, that's rare for an actor.
Very rare. I act, I record it, and I delete it because I feel ఇంకా ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఇంకా ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్. సో I record it with my phone, but mirror చాలా తక్కువ.
Do you listen to your heart?
Yes, I do.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how content are you with your life right now?
6.
Oh. What is the wildest fantasy you have?
Going on a date with Tabu.
Wow. what completely bores you?
A very tricky question, but yeah, too much talkative people, kind of.
Am I talking too much?
No, not you, but
Okay, no.
after a point, I get like really disconnected. So
Right. Okay. So coming to the last question.
oh, is it? అప్పుడే అయిపోయిందా?
ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి.
Just kidding, but yeah.
Okay. One OCD you have.
I wash my hands a lot.
Oh, that's a good habit. Do you like pets?
I like to see them. I don't like to have them.
What were your favorite shows as a kid?
నవ్వుతారు జనాలు, బట్ అమృతం ఇస్ మై ఫేవరెట్.
Oh, nice. So బాగా కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయి ఉంటారు.
Yeah.
Yeah. And are you addicted to something?
ఇప్పుడైతే ఫర్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ అడిక్టెడ్ టు మూవీస్ బికాస్ దట్స్ వన్ అడిక్షన్. ఈ లేటెస్ట్గా ఐఎమ్ అడిక్టెడ్ టు ఫోన్ బికాస్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు సిట్ ఆన్ ఇట్ అండ్ రిప్లై బికాస్ ఐ నో హౌ దే ఫీల్ ఇఫ్ ఐ డోంట్.
Yeah.
So otherwise, I'm addicted to my family. I'm more of a family guy. I want to spend more time at home. I want to chill out with my cousins and stuff. So yeah.
You wake up one fine morning and you go into the washroom and you realize your brush is missing. What would you do?
My brush is missing. I would use my finger to actually brush my teeth. So
I would go mad.
that happened to me many times, and I did that. So I was like,
Okay. How often do you check your phone?
quite often. Yeah,
Is
because I
there
don't have
some-
my notifications on, so I have to go in and check for my
Okay.
messages. So quite often.
Is there something you're trying to change about yourself?
Yes, my time management skills, my financial management skills, and my lifestyle.
Okay, if you could time travel, which is the time space you would like to be in?
Time space I would like to be in would be that mythological time of Krishna Devaraya, all this time, that time. Yeah.
మీకు ఒక మూవీలో దూరిపోయి నచ్చిన ఏదో ఒక మూవీ ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ ప్లే చేసే ఛాన్స్ దొరికితే విచ్ క్యారెక్టర్
ఆపద్ బాంధవుడు చిరంజీవి గారి క్యారెక్టర్.
నైస్. ఓకే, నేను విల్ ఆస్క్ వన్ లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, so as an actor, how easy or difficult is it for you to detach from a role you're playing?
It is not that easy because I have to be. I was Prithvi for the next 2 weeks after my shoot was done completely.
Right.
It is quite tough for me to actually detach because I fall in love with the character that I do, and I be that character, and it becomes very tough for me to actually detach myself from that character. It takes a while, so it is tough, I guess. Not just for me, for any actor, I guess. I don't know. I mean, it's just the beginning, but yeah.
So, are you a director's actor?
I am director చెప్పాలది, but I am a director's actor, so
అంటే మీ ఇన్పుట్స్ ఎంతవరకు
ఉంటాయి.
ఉంటాయా?
ఉంటాయి.
Which is your most favorite dialogue ever told in any film, any?
హవా మూవీలో దిస్ డైలాగ్ వేర్ ఒక్క ఐడియా జీవితాన్ని మార్చేస్తుందో లేదో తెలియదు కానీ ఒక్క చిన్న తప్పు మాత్రం జీవితం దూల తీర్చేస్తుంది అని. దట్ వన్ వాస్ వెరీ.
One question you are really tired of answering.
What's your age?
Watch the show and check this out.
Go watch the show.
Right. Okay, Andy. Your one thought about this whole interview session.
I loved it. I mean, the first time I am actually like being myself and chilling. Like,
Yes,
so.
I'm glad.
I mean, like the regular set of questions kaakunda something interesting. So
Right.
please do subscribe to Rangmunch TV Scene Unseen.